Hello everyone, this is Khyati Shekhar here, one of the admins of Lighting Dreams. The purpose of this video message is to motivate you all for the coming exam. And I know all of you are well aware that 23rd July 2 p.m. to 4 p.m. it is going to be one of the most important point of times, the most important 120 minutes of your life. So good luck for the same. And remember that nobody said that it would be easy. Everybody told you that it would be difficult, but I can assure you, and everyone else must have assured you by now in our admin faculty, that the day when you give the exam, you will feel the utmost chill, zen in your life. So, good luck and all the best for your preparations. Revise well and be confident. Have a nice 7-hour sleep before the exam. Please go to the center before the exam day so that you are well aware about it. And last but not the least, put a smile on your face because you're finally going to the NLU. And for that, you just need to give that one exam and qualify that one exam. And it will happen. Just believe in that. All the best, everyone. Good luck.
So, hello guys. Finally, the D-Day is here, and don't worry, be calm in the examination. Everything will good, and just read the paper, read the instruction carefully, carry out your admit card, your identity card with you, and all the instruction that is given in your flat admit card. Be calm, be cool, nothing to be nervous, everything will be good, right? The hard work that you done in past 1 year, maybe of 2 years, that will pay you back, right? The effort you put it is so much, and we wish to see you in LU. I am Kanik Sinha here from Team Lighting Dreams. From behalf of Team Lighting Dreams, wishes you all the best. So, let's crack the CLAT 2021 and meet us in NLU. Thank you.
Hi guys, so this is Aryan Divedi, one of your admin at Lighting Dream, and so the wait is finally over. It's time to show how much hard work you have done in the last 6 months, 1 year, or even some of you are preparing from the last 2 years. So just something from my side is that just be calm and release the pressure. Okay, be ready for surprises because Consortium is famous for surprises. So just remember, you are the best among the 70,000 aspirants. Give your best, and always remember, CLAT is not the only thing that is left in your life. There are many other doors that are open, and that will be open after 23rd. So just give your best and leave the rest. So let's hope that on 23rd, when you come out of the examination hall, you will be smiling. So just best of luck. Thank you.
Hi guys, this is Terin Siddharth Reddy, one of the admin of Team Lighting Dreams. I hope you guys well prepared for the exam. Be calm, give your best in the exam. I hope you will have a better and bright future. Remember, this is not the end of life. You will have a better future. I wish a good luck for all of you. Thank you.
Hi everyone, my name is Kushagra Gupta and I am a student of गुजरात नेशनल लॉ यूनिवर्सिटी. सबसे पहले टीम लाइटिंग ड्रीम्स की तरफ से आप सभी को ऑल द बेस्ट फॉर क्लैट 2021. और लास्ट के टाइम के लिए मेरी तरफ से आपको कुछ सजेशंस हैं. सबसे पहले सबसे इम्पॉर्टेंट चीज़, अपनी प्रिपरेशन को ट्रस्ट करें. आखिरी टाइम पे ये बिल्कुल नहीं सोचना कि आपने क्या छोड़ दिया, क्या कर लिया. इन सब से अलग हटके आप केवल अपनी प्रिपरेशन पर ट्रस्ट करो और पेपर पे ध्यान दो. दूसरी चीज़ सबसे इम्पॉर्टेंट कि पेपर में जो इंस्ट्रक्शंस वो क्वेश्चन पेपर और OMR शीट्स पे हैं, उनको बहुत ध्यान से पढ़ना. उनमें पढ़ने में एक भी मिस्टेक करके आपका पूरा पेपर रुइन हो सकता है, जिसको आपको प्रिवेंट करना है. तीसरा ये कि जितना भी आपने इस समय स्ट्रैटेजीज, अप्रोचेस ये सब सीखी हैं, मॉक्स में अप्लाई करी हैं, इन सबको एक डॉक्यूमेंट बना के या पेपर पे लिख के रखो और उसको पेपर से पहले 3-4 बार अच्छे से पढ़ लो ताकि वो चीज़ें आपके दिमाग में फ्रेश रहें. जी के रिवाइज करो और आप अब तक जो भी करते आ रहे हो उसको करो पेपर के टाइम पे. बस उसको 3-4 बार स्ट्रैटेजीज और अप्रोचेस रिवाइज करके पेपर में अच्छे से रिलैक्स रह के परफॉर्म करके आना. ऑल द बेस्ट.
Hello everyone, I'm Devansh Dikshit from Lighting Dreams. So the D-Day, July 23 is almost here. So I hope that you all are very well prepared for your examination. I'm not going to suggest you to do anything new or extra on the D-Day. Just follow the instructions that are given on your admit card and you'll be good to go. Also, prepare your mind for some surprises. Don't get nervous if something unexpected happens, because that is what CLAT is about. Also, if you're feeling down, this is not the time to get nervous or anxious and do some blunders in your examination. Just believe in your work, in the work and the efforts that you've been putting for so many months. This is the time where you have to show the hard work that you've been doing for your examination, right? Also, don't think about anything else. Just focus on your examination. If you completely devote yourself during those 2 hours, you'll definitely do good and you'll get into the NLU that you want. I wish you all the very best for your examination.
Myself, Amulya Acharya from Lightning Dreams. I wish the CLAT aspirants all the best for their exam.
Hello friends, I am Ashish Jha, one of the members of the admin group of Lightning Dreams, and I hope you all are in the pink of health. Friends, the date of your examination is coming near day by day, but don't worry, you are the warriors whose war is coming near day by day. Friends, you have to win this war and ace it. Friends, I would like to give you 3 suggestions for the D-Day. My first suggestion is that please watch a motivational video before the examination. Friends, believe me, it will give you a boost. It will boost your energy. Friends, my second suggestion is that please take up proper sleep, which should be at least of 8 hours before the examination. And friends, my third suggestion is that if you find the questions hard, means the questions which you are going to solve, you find it hard, then rest assured it is hard for everyone. Don't worry, you have to ace it. Friend, say to the consortium, oh consortium, come what may, I will ace today. This is my day. And friends, my last suggestion is that don't take any type of tension. You keep your mind free. You are going to ace it if you have worked hard for the rest of the year. Friends, NLUs are waiting for you. Be ready to come and meet with us. Friends, best luck for the D-Day and be ready to win.
Hi, I am Mohit Kumar from Team Lightning Dreams. First of all, good luck for your exam. There are only 3 to 4 things I want to tell you. First is try to implement the strategy or plan which you have made for the exam, and don't panic while doing so. The second point is, even if you fail to implement that, don't panic and just concentrate on the passages and questions. Just do it in the way the passages are given in the exam, so you don't waste your time. And third is, it's just a training based exam, so it's nothing which you can't do. Every one of you can do this. So if you focus on the exam, this would improve your speed and accuracy. So just do that, and so just don't panic and put your 100% in the exam, because the presence of mind is very important. It can actually improve your marks from 10 to 15%. And the last is, wear simple clothing, have a modest food, don't eat very much, and also don't eat very less. And in last, good luck again for your exam. That's all.
Hey guys, so it's the D-Day for y'all. CLAT is finally happening on 23rd of July. So I wish you all the best and hope you ace the exam. All your hard work, patience and diligence have to be put to execution on that particular day. It all depends on how you keep your head cool and calm. So first things first, carry all the necessary items with you: a water bottle, a hanky, and whatever requirements are there which CLAT has assigned, you must carry them, and visit the center 1 hour earlier so that there is no rush, there is no haste, and you are able to attempt the exam with a cool head. I wish you all the best, and I'm really confident that you all will ace the exam.
Hi everyone, this is Vivek Meghvanshi from Hidayatullah National Law University. As all of us are facing a very challenging time in this pandemic, and you people are going to write your CLAT exam on 23rd of July, I suggest all of you to stay calm at this time, stay motivated and positive, believe in yourself, approach each and every section carefully while writing your exam. Just focus to give your best 100% and also take care of your health. Follow all the necessary precautions. Once again, I wish all the best to you guys.
Hello everyone, I'm Govinda from Lighting Dreams. I wish you all the best for CLAT 2021. So be calm and cool during the exam and have a good amount of sleep a day before it, and just do your best. Don't worry about the result. Thank you.
So it's finally here. You might have been studying for this exam for 1 year, 2 years. Some of you may have been studying for this exam for even 3 years. It has all come down today to these few days, the last few days before the exam, and CLAT 2021 is less than a week ahead. In these last few days, the intensity of your preparation does not matter. The number of mocks you give does not matter. What matters is your ability to stay calm and cool in these last few days. Do not think about the outcome. Do not think about what will happen after the paper, whether you'll have some difficulties, whether you'll have anything else might happen. Don't think about it right now. Don't think about what will happen in the future after the paper. As of now, it is your duty to keep the morale high and revise everything, and you must revise everything properly. Do what is in your hands as of now. Do it to the best of your extent. Formulate your test day paper attempt strategy. Think about it well and stick to it. Use your experience that you have gained in the hundreds of marks that you have given to formulate this strategy and stick to it well. Think about the countless hours. Think about the countless hours that you've spent attempting GK. Think about the countless hours you spent studying the hundreds or even thousands of mock questions, the hundreds of GK topics, thousands of names, places, events, news, information, the hours spent over math problems, and give yourselves a pat on the back for doing all of this. In competitive exams like the CLAT, everything is necessary and nothing is sufficient. So even if you missed a few topics, it's fine. It won't matter that much. On the day of the paper, trust yourselves and trust the process. Attempt the paper with rigor. We at Team Lighting Dreams wish you the best of luck.